Hello friends, in this lesson I will show how to sharpen an image using a couple of features in Photoshop. Open this image. It looks good at the most parts, but if we zoom in, we can see that these parts are not as sharp. So there are a few tools in Photoshop that can help us to recapture that sharpness to a certain extent. Obviously there are some limitations also. The areas with heavy blur cannot be rectified. To remove a little amount of blur, let's make the copy of this layer. Hold Alt and first unlock. Hold Alt and copy. Go to Filter, Sharpen and Unsharpen Mask. Now this name Unsharpen Mask is a bit confusing. You must be thinking that Unsharpen Mask will make the image unsharp, but that's not the case here. Let's see how. Here there are three sliders to adjust to make the image sharp. First we will play with the radius. The radius should not be much because that will make the brighter areas more bright and thus losing the sharpness. I think it's fine here. Normally I keep the radius between 1 and 2. With the radius, what Photoshop is doing is taking each pixel and looking within a certain radius and brings the contrast back. After adjusting the radius, we can start to adjust the amount. Let's adjust the amount. All these values will vary with the kind of image you are working on. And finally, this threshold. By default it is set to 0 and that is what I find it to be a good value. Threshold actually defines how much contrast should be there between pixels for this sharpening effect to take place. With that set to 0, it means that every pixel is going to have that sharpening effect. As we start to dial this up, the sharpening effect is gone, so 0 is the best value according to me. Let's toggle this preview button on and off. You can see the difference. Hit OK. Let's zoom out and see the difference between these two images. You can see the difference. Some of the sharpening is back. This is just a contrast trick to sharpen our image. There is yet another way to sharpen the image. Let's rename this layer Unsharp Mask. Let's again make a copy. Hold Alt and drag. We will call it High Pass. Let's hide this layer. Let's go to Filter, Other and High Pass. This filter is designed to identify some of the sharper areas. We need to adjust this radius value so that we can only see the sharper edges. This radius value will be set according to the contrast in the image you are working with. Typically it should be kept where you can only see the areas of contrast. If you start to see some colors like this, it means the radius value is too high. Let me bring it down. We don't want to see any color. Like so. Hit OK. Now we have not applied anything to this original image. With this high pass layer selected, go to blend modes and try some blend modes. Let's try overlay. See where you get the best result. In my case, vivid light is OK. Now let's see the effect by turning it on and off. You can see the effect. It is much sharper now. Let's compare it with this one. This is with the unsharp mask. This is with the high pass. Now I find this high pass filter better than unsharp. This method is also a non-destructive one. We can also use a layer mask with this. Take the brush and paint black the areas we do not want to take the effect. Like so. This building was looking a bit brighter, so we will paint it black so that it does not take the effect of high pass. So friends, that was a look at two different methods of sharpening an image. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.